Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. So it is January 4th, 2020 in the frozen tundra of Utah. So anyway, so what are we doing today? I was scrolling through Behance last week and I found this really cool image that like totally blew me away. The lighting specifically blew me away and I had no clue how to recreate it. And so I'm going to Walmart right now in downtown Salt Lake. I'm surprising both Ofa and Richard. They have no clue what's going on, which is hilarious. I'm basically just going to show them the image and then we have to try to recreate it.
I guess I'm rocking this.
Here's the sexy Richard. The only reason I got you on this is because you're English and you have an accent. We need a token, like, a good voice.
It's like the token Brit boy. It's like...
Where are you?
Hey, are you inside?
No, we're in the... I'm in the Land Rover. Okay, dudes, I've brought you here for a special challenge. Even when you see images, you're like, oh, I know how they did that. You know, like the lighting or whatever. Like, I came across this image and I have no clue how they did it with the lighting. So I thought, let me just show it to you guys and see.
Dude, I'm gonna figure this out in 2 seconds.
Just shut up.
Oh, that's easy.
Okay.
I did this last night. I did this last night with my iPhone.
I guarantee it's not easy. Dude, what is that?
Come on, this? No, CO2, CO2.
For what? For what?
Yeah, what's up? What's up?
Dudes think they're all pro at photography and like they can do it. Richard's making fun of me because you guys supposedly know how to do this lighting scenario.
The lighting scenario.
It's so easy.
It is easy.
Yeah.
This is our model Elaine. That's out. We got some cool stuff from Walmart. Elaine, surprise. Check out. Open this. Open some of that stuff up and let's have you give an intro to all of our amazing photography gear.
Amazing stuff. Well, first we have an amazing jacket here.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
All right, so let's do this. Put that on. Lighting's good.
Yeah, I think so.
We have Ofa's laser light here.
Okay. We have a strobe right here. And we have a speed light right here too.
That was a super pro.
And there's an umbrella.
Great.
And there's an umbrella with a light mod on it.
Sweet. You know what that is.
These are like gemstones, like adhesive gemstones. And when we put them inside a mason jar, they look kind of like spiraling and stuff.
Falling everywhere.
Let's see what kind of effect this has.
We're gonna do it in the dark. Yeah. Yes. Yes. It was around the eye, like that.
The lights on in the room.
Here's Richard acting all.
Just do that. That works.
So you're not used to running and gunning because you use $200,000.
No,
This is not the peace sign. This is the English sign for like piss off.
No, nobody knows that though. It's peace.
You know what? All I'm going to say is, in order for me to focus on the model, I actually need light on the model.
Okay, so it should look like this or something. Figure out the light. Zach, that's kind of. Let me see. Try it. Try it again.
Turn it like down, like closer.
Lower it. You want to fill? You want that?
Okay, let's do this. Take this away. I want to try with the laser.
Look.
The laser.
It's like crazy amounts, and then without. Quick. Yeah, right there. So you check that out. That's kind of like the look that I was going for, like little dots, and then just like that.
Let's go. Like no joke, like this is creepy. Like she's just like up there at the bottom, top of my suggested.
So he never met Elaine before, and she just popped up on his Instagram.
Is she there?
Yeah, she's right here.
That is
She
so
was
funny.
the first person in like.
That is
I didn't
super-
even type in her
Meant to
name.
be.
Didn't know.
Instagram's like,
Meant
here,
to be.
let me creep you out a little bit.
What if Instagram like knew
Dude,
that
it
you were
knows
sitting
everything.
right, that
It
you were
knows
sitting
everything.
right next
Dude,
to
I
her?
guarantee it knows the day I'm gonna die. I bet you anything.
So, first,
This thing's like the
initially we did some crazy setup over there, and it kind of worked, kind of not. And then we turned off the lights, and then we went super ghetto, shooting with the iPhone light and the iPhone. Open shot with the iPhone. And then, yeah, how did you think it went, Elaine? Did we look super pro trying to figure that crap out?
It was very creative. Like all of our options. It was pretty awesome, actually.
But by really creative, does that mean like it actually sucks really bad? Someone's
No,
like, oh,
not one bit.
You're really creative, Ofa.
I like people thinking outside of the box.
Here you have. So you brought all your lights. You brought backpack. You brought that. You brought that. And we ended up shooting.
You know how you can't use this footage, but is it?
I'll bleep it out or whatever. So yeah, the shoot was pretty last minute and difficult because, funny, Elaine, I totally spaced that she had to go at like 11. I thought we had a lot more time. And so everybody was rushed. But I think we got some good shots. At the very end, it was so funny. Like, we didn't even use any of the lights. We used an iPhone light covered with a bag. And that was it. So now me and Ofa are gonna go and actually edit these photos.
I'ma wake up, do damage. Join them subs, it's boredom. Ayy, working all night, need more though. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join them subs, it's boredom. Ayy, working all night, need more though. Ayy. You feel trippy, I feel it out. Hop in my car and get it out. Secure the back, I'll get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood, all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My love is take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those wrong.
If you guys enjoyed this video, check out some of the other videos. Remember to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to learn how to become a master at creating amazing images and how to make 6 figures as a photographer, you can join our online photography school at fulltimephotographer.com. Or to see a preview of what the course is like, you can sign up for my free 1-hour training where I cover my top 10 secrets to creating images that sell. I'll also show you my exact marketing plan that has brought me clients like Adobe, Acura, LG, Nickelodeon, and more. So go to fulltimephotographer.com to check it out or just click the button on the screen.